Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you thinking about jump-starting your IT career or future-proofing your tech skills? Today, we'll cover everything you need to know about the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals certification, what it is, why it matters in 2025, how to prepare for it, and how viewers can get certified for free. Azure Fundamentals, or AZ-900, is Microsoft's entry-level cloud certification. You don't need any tech background to start this. Certification is perfect for students, career changers, or anyone curious about cloud technology. It covers core cloud concepts, Azure architecture, and basics of deploying and managing resources on Microsoft Azure, the world's second largest cloud platform. Then the question comes, why should you do it? The cloud job market is booming. Azure skills are among the most in demand worldwide, especially across Asia's fast growing tech hubs. With AZ-900, you prove to employers that you have foundational knowledge of cloud computing, the one skill they're seeking in IT today. It's recognized globally and opens doors to jobs in infrastructure, development, DevOps, AI, security, and more. Plus, it's a stepping stone to advanced Azure certifications that boost your career and salary potential. On the exam structure syllabus, this exam is available in multiple languages, including English and several Asian languages. There's no prerequisite, you can attempt it straight away. AZ-900 covers three main areas. First is cloud concepts, which covers 25 to 30%. Next is core Azure services architecture, which covers 35 to 40%. And finally, management governance, which covers 30 to 35%. This exam consists of about 30 to 40 questions, which is computer based, and you get 45 minutes to finish. Next question probably comes to your mind, where to study from and where to get your preparation resources. The best place to begin is Microsoft Learn, which has free official learning paths with interactive labs and quizzes. It's self-paced and covers all exam topics. You can also check out courses on Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube channels. Even practice exams are available for free. Join online communities and forums for sharing tips and support. What's the career growth path looks like after you complete your AZ-900? Azure Fundamentals is just the start. You can progress to associate and expert level certifications like Azure Administrator, AZ-104, Azure Developer, AZ-204, or Solution Architect, AZ-305. These credentials increase your value for roles like cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, security specialist, or data scientist careers that offer higher salaries and growth. Employers globally on the lookout for certified cloud professionals as digital transformation accelerates in every industry. Here's the golden tip. You may not need to pay full price for the AZ-900 exam. Here's how. You can register for Microsoft's official virtual training days. It can be either live or online. Link is on screen right now. Completing a short free training session often earns you a 50% or even 100% discount voucher for the exam. Remember that these events fill up quickly, so try to book as early as you can. Also, watch for Microsoft AI Skills Fest and similar global events as they periodically distribute 100% free vouchers for Azure certifications. To summarize, first, head over to Microsoft Learn and start the free online modules for Azure Fundamentals. Second, find and register for a Microsoft Virtual Training Day or AI Skills Fest event. Complete the session and claim your discounted or free voucher. And third, practice with demo exams, engage with cloud communities, and schedule your exam at a convenient local center or online. Now, as you know what needs to be done about Azure Fundamentals exam, are you ready to get certified and skyrocket your IT career? Find all the links, tips, and resources in the video description. Please do not forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more concrete cloud career tips. Comment below if you have any questions or need updates on current voucher programs. See you in the next video.